If you don't have subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button below the video and also click on the bell button to get all notifications of new videos.
तुम मेरे हो इस पल मेरे हो कल शायद ये आलम न रहे.
Hey friends, you're watching Tips and Tricks Adda and this is Zubair, and today I'm going to show you this effect. As you have seen here, when I have clicked on this play button to play this video, here was a loading, and this I have made with the effects of PowerPoint. So to make this effect, firstly we have to open a new file and now come to layout and make it blank, and now firstly make the circles. Come here and here select this circle option and make here a circle and outline none, and now duplicate it 3 4 5 times. Now I'm going to change their colors. One was red, yellow, green, that was blue, and one I will make orange. Now red will at the front, the green which is dark will at the back, so may click on it and here send to back, and now on that green there will be blue one, and then the in between yellow, and here the orange, and then red. Now they are ready. Firstly select them and come here to animation and here add animation and here slide down and here line. Now make them to different places so they will not overlap on each other. Now make them one on other. And now place it here at 90° to forward and place all of these at near places. And now I'm going to zoom in it, and now this was the main one. On this I will put these others. There one, second, third, and this orange. Now everything is set. Now here click on animation pane and here make them with previous and duration to 1 second. And now firstly select and here zoom in so that you will look out better. And now firstly making this first one to 0.5 0.05 delay, and this one to 0.08 to 0.1, and this will actually I'm putting them random, play at random places. And now I'm going to play from here, and here you can see they are overlapping, so make the different more difference in their timings. And now once again going to play them all, and now it is ready. Now select all these and effect option and in effects here, use the auto reverse, and here the timing, here you use the repeat option to 4 or 5 times. Now click OK. Now I'm going to play this, and now here you can see it is loading. So now this effect has been made, and in this PowerPoint I have done some changes so that it is clear to play the video. I have placed a button which is actually a triangle to play this, and it also has a transparency effect. And now then I have selected all these circles and add on them the appear option and triggered on them by right clicking and effect option. In the timing here I have triggered on the isosceles triangle 5, which is this play button, and in the at the starting I have added when we click on this play button, this will hide here, the exit disappear animation was there, and then this all will appear. Here you can see, and they will start loading and playing the animation, and then these will disappear, and then here the video will start playing. And I have also using here this shield, which help me so that it will more visible to this button. So when this all circle will appear, I have also disappeared this shield. Here you can see. Now this all you can make, and this is all a new effect. And now here I am going to end my video, and I will request you please subscribe my channel, and for every subscriber who are going to subscribe my channel, and for the previous subscriber, please go down and click on bell button so that you can get all notifications of the new videos. As I have watching that the subscriber was more, but the views of the videos was not going as subscribers. It means that the notifications are not showing on their mobile or account. So they all the subscribers slide down to the video and click on the bell button so that you will get all notifications of new videos. So that's all for today. So thank you friends.